let's break down a trade that I just took right now. And just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon content, which is the Falcon mechanics, the 4 hour, the reward, the AFD, and the latest one, which is the hybrid trading. And if you guys don't have it, if you guys want some specific content, all you have to do is message me here on the Telegram, Manos Falcon, or you can just scan this code, right? All you have to do is pay me a small fee, and then you'll get all of those contents, and then you'll gain guidance from me on how to use those content effectively, right? So let's break down from the daily time frame. As we can see, we got directed from this value value point, and just look at how the price approached to that point. Very interesting. Price left a gap, tries to fill up that gap, again left a gap, fill up that gap, and we got the continuation pattern. We got the fill up and then the rejection on the H4 time frame. As you can see, you can just use this real line, and then we're getting a continuation structure on the H1 time frame, so your entry must be on the H1. I just took this stretch right before I make this video. I'm in right now. It might be a loss, but it might be a loss or a win, but it has all the things that I need as a good trade, as a low risk trade. The only bad thing that we have is that this hook point right up there, right? But also it doesn't have to come up to the upside because we are trading below this low, and it is a treated structure with a completely lovely with a completed middle section in it. How did you figure it out? As you can see in the middle section, impulse, correction, impulse, it has done all the things that we need, right? Because it is a completed structure, and I just took this trade right there as a limit order play on this rejection, because this rejection was too big to take this trade. So you have to use the right way to take the trade, and if not, you will be putting yourself in a really bad situation where you take the trades but you win very little, right? So yeah, that's it for the breakdown, guys. I'm looking for 4 to 1 on this low, at least 4 to 1, and the potential of this trade is to move to the downside as you can see there, right? But the main TP will be 4%. I will be managing a bit aggressively on this point. So yeah,